So this is Jassy, Creative Arts Director, photo shoot, Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro. He's into animation, he's gamesman, he is all kinds of man, videographer, photographer. I don't know what and how else to describe this young man. The work that he produces at Fastispeed is phenomenal. So, Master Jassy, what made you want to work here?
It was a great opportunity to learn new skills, push myself in an industry I wasn't familiar with, and as I've been working here, it's a really cool vibe. Really enjoy everyone here. It's fun and keeps me on my toes a lot of things to do constantly. I appreciate that like my ideas I can like always run my ideas by like anyone and like kind of draft up something to like go live or put there and put here. There's always something to do, and that's always really good and that's always really fun.
Thank you so much. Jassy, let me ask you, what would you tell customers, potential customers out there? What would you say to them?
About Fastispeed.
Yeah.
I'd say that we're pretty small right now, but we have big plans to develop and grow, especially in the web development space and marketing space as well. We have a team of 16 professional developers here that can build personalized websites for you. Even if you have a website, we can market it, push it on social media, search engine optimization. There's something, if you're a business, any kind of business, there's something that we could provide for you, whether it's e-commerce, cloud services, etc. So yeah, you'll be working closely with us if you decide to come on to our clientele.
Listen to that. So thank you very much, sir. Based upon where you're coming from, and today speaking from a place of professionalism, thank you, Master Jassy, leading the social media digital marketing at the moment as well, and moving over into UX design. Really appreciate it, Master Josh. So Jassy, he's got a French name, people. I can hardly pronounce it, but he's the man. Thank you. At Fastispeed Web Development Company.